This is basically a little container of cancer here. We're at Chick-fil-A. We're gonna try to find some healthy stuff. What do you recommend? We're leaning healthy.
Grilled chicken.
So grilled chicken sandwich, multi-grain bun. All right.
All right, we just went through the drive-thru at Chick-fil-A where Billy was in charge of ordering because I just wanted to have French fries and like a tea. So walk us through.
Okay, let's figure out what we got. I haven't had these grilled nuggets before. We got some grilled. Oh no, this is fruit
that's
cup.
fruit.
Yeah, we got. I was like, this feels cold.
Did I ever tell you about my relationship with chickens?
Uh-oh. You got a relationship with chickens?
Buckle up, son. Get ready for this one. Fun fact, I used to teach preschool on a farm.
No way.
Yes, it was farm school, and I taught preschool.
Farm school?
Yeah,
That's a thing?
Yeah, it was in Virginia. It's a thing, and I had to see the chickens every day, you know, and like take the kids to see the chickens, and they're all packed up and they're so nasty. This is gross. But the fun farm fact is that pigs are actually the cleanest animal on the farm, whereas chickens are the dirtiest.
Are they?
So for a good 15 years, I couldn't eat chicken.
But did you eat pig?
Yeah, bacon.
All right. Clean bacon.
My chicken cringe factor is decreased, but
That's
I was
good.
like, I was creeped.
We'll see how dirty this chicken looks. I feel like it's gonna be clean.
Let's see.
All right, we got some grilled chicken nuggets here. These look reasonably healthy.
I feel like Chick-fil-A has good morals, so like it feels like they would have clean chicken. All right, what do we got here?
Okay, so we got the market salad here. It's got some chicken, some fruit, lettuce, blue cheese, which I don't love, but I'll put it on your side.
Blue cheese is like my favorite.
What? You can have it all. It's offensive. Can I just say that? It's offensive. The smell.
The smell?
And
Really?
the taste, yeah. It's like rotten cheese. Who wants that? And then we've got zesty apple cider vinaigrette.
There's no way he's not gonna read the back of that.
Boy. Okay, this is not great. First ingredient, soybean oil. Apple cider vinegar, yes. The third ingredient is sugar. The fourth ingredient is honey. So, and then we've got pineapple juice concentrate. That sounds like concentrated sugar. Oh, potassium sorbate. That's a sodium benzenate. Those are artificial preservatives. That's not good. This is basically a little container of cancer here. 15 grams of total sugar and all added sugar.
All right, so what do you do in a situation? Are you gonna eat that salad dry, or
I don't want to eat it
Or
dry.
are you gonna suck it up and eat your toxic dressing?
Oh man, the choices we have to make. We got some Chick-fil-A sauce and some barbecue sauce, so we could always put these guys on there.
Oh, like that's gonna be any better.
Yeah, I mean, look, the barbecue sauce has corn syrup. Come on, Chick-fil-A. Come on! Come on! I thought better of you. You said my pleasure. I appreciate that. You close on Sundays. I also appreciate that. Okay, and then the Chick-fil-A sauce, which, have you had this one?
No.
Before I read these ingredients, let me just say, this sauce is heavenly. Having not read the ingredients in my life,
Is it like sweet and sour sauce type of thing?
it's like this heavenly, like, honey, I don't know, like, mayo-y sauce, something. If you've had the Chick-fil-A sauce, what you gotta ask for, it's not one of the ones they throw in the bag. It's very tasty. Ingredients. It's long, so I'll cover the basics.
I've never heard you get so excited about it.
I like sauce. I like
product.
sauces, and I like food.
Go for
Soybean oil, sugar, second ingredient, not great. Water, I'm okay with that. Yellow mustard, turmeric, okay, that's good. Salt, paprika, apple cider vinegar, egg yolk, tomato paste, less than 2% of chili powder. I don't see some of the other artificial ingredients in here. Yeah, I don't think they have the same preservatives in here. So this one is actually
Not that bad.
it's not that bad. I don't love the soybean oil and the sugar, and it doesn't say how much is in here, but like it's a pretty tiny container, so I'm thinking it shouldn't be that bad. This is probably a pass minus the soybean oil. We could just put this on the salad, you know? There is a way to eat healthy at a fast food restaurant, specifically Chick-fil-A. We found it.
We found it.
You just have to try to avoid getting things like the French fries, which we totally got.
Literally, that's my lunch. That's my
I'm
lunch.
gonna make sure you have some green beans as well. We'll wrap each French fry in lettuce.
Yeah.
That's the rule.
Okay. But is the lettuce? I doubt it's organic.
Probably not organic. At least it's lettuce, and it's not fried.
What you're saying is you got to pick your battles.
Pick your battles, yeah. And sometimes you'll take a small win over an epic win. Like, it'd be great if all this is organic and sugar-free and everything else, but at the end of the day, it's better than an enormous cheeseburger and French fries.
And I was healthy because I got tea, no sugar, unsweetened.
Well played. I know it was tempting because they do have really good sweet tea.
It's not the best tea I've ever had, but it doesn't have sugar in it.
We can pour some of that on the salad.
Yeah, that'll be tasty. Okay, so we got fruit, we got grilled chicken, we've got salad that has a problematic dressing, but pick your battles.
Yeah.
Sauces, so-so,
Yeah.
skip the barbecue sauce, and French fries. I mean, technically it's a vegetable, it's a potato.
Yeah. And look, you gotta live a little bit, right? So, like, you're at Chick-fil-A, let's be honest, you're gonna order some French fries. I didn't get the huge one, I got a medium, and I've got, like, some reasonable sauce we're gonna try out.
I hope they gave us 2 of those. They didn't?
We'll go back. We're gonna find out if there's healthy dressing in Chick-fil-A.
It's got like potassium sorbate and sodium benzenate. Do you have any that's like the all natural dressing?
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, man, appreciate you.
Thank you. So kind at Chick-fil-A. So kind. Went back to try and find a natural dressing.
They said they don't have any natural dressing, but we picked up this light balsamic.
9 grams of sugar per serving, and the serving is a whole container, so not horrible. Sugar's the 3rd ingredient, but it's still got potassium sorbate and sodium benzenate, which I don't love.
Can't win them all.